In this video, I will teach you how to post your first post on Substack. First, you just have to go to substack.com. If you don't have an account yet, you just have to click on Start Publishing right here to sign up with your own email. If you already have an account to Substack, you just have to click on Sign In at the top right and log in with your own credentials. Now, after logging in, you'll be taken to the Substack dashboard. This is where you can manage your publication, check your stats, and most importantly, write your new posts. Now, to post your first article, you just have to click on Create New right here, and a pop-up will be shown. You can choose whether you want to have a text post, video post, audio post, new note, or new chat thread. Now, after choosing, let's say, text post right here, this will open the Substack editor where you can start writing your title and the body of your post. It's just like a simple blog editor, easy and distraction free. At the top part right here, you can write your post title. You can make it clear and catchy. And below that, you can write your own content right here. You can add images, links, headings, quotes, or even embed videos using this specific setup right here. These buttons will allow you to do all of that. Now, once you're done writing, you just have to click on Continue on the upper right, and here you can choose to either publish your post to the web, send it to your email subscribers, or both. When you're all ready, you just have to click to send to everyone or publish now, and that's it. Your first post is live. It's a powerful platform to share your voice with the world, whether it's a newsletter, blog, or anything in between. This will allow you to be more expressive to the world and cater it to your own style. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.